You can extract metadata from a dump file using the parameter sqlfile. What does it mean? Well, if you have already exported your data, your schema into a dump file, you can use data pump import to investigate that dump file and extract the definition of the metadata and put it into a file. You don't have to actually import the entire dump file in order to investigate the definition of the metadata. No, you can simply just extract the definition and put it into a SQL file. When you start data pump import and you've specified the SQL file option, data pump will not do an actual import of the data. It'll just extract the metadata and put it into a file. If you have a dump file that contains a schema-based export and you extract the metadata, it'll look something similar to that. First, data pump needs to create the user, in this case, TPCC, then apply grants, and then start to process the metadata, tables, indexes, and so forth. All that will be put into a file that contains all the statements that data pump would eventually execute. If you need to extract the definition of an index or any other object, instead of using the SQL file option in data pump, you can also use DBMS metadata directly. That's one of the APIs that you can use as well. DBMS metadata has a function called getDDL that you can use to create the DDL statements for any object in the database. And data pump, in fact, uses the DBMS metadata API as well, but it's free for you to use it as well.